Hello friends, this is your physics Sita ma'am. Today in this session, we are going to see what is potential energy of a dipole in an external field. In an external field. What is the potential energy of a dipole in an external field? So consider a dipole. Consider a dipole with charges plus q and minus q separated by a distance 2a. Separated by a distance is 2a. Placed in a uniform electric field. Placed in a uniform electric field. So, the dipole experiences no net force but experiences a torque. The dipole experiences no net force but experiences a torque in a uniform electric field. So, the torque, it experiences torque. Torque, which is tau. The symbol represents for the torque is tau, which is equals to, we know very well, that is P equal. Tau is equals to P into E. P cross E. So, cross product I told you already, that is PE sin theta. Cross. For cross product, we are taking sin theta. For dot product, cos theta. Instead of cross, I am taking it as PE sin theta. So, whereas P is equals to dipole moment, that is Q into 2A. Dipole moment, that is P equal to 2 into QA. This torque will tend to rotate the dipole is parallel or anti-parallel to E. Parallel or anti-parallel to E. So suppose the external torque is applied in this manner. External torque applied in this manner, it just neutralizes the torque and rotates theta 1 to theta 2. Rotates theta 1 to theta 2. So the angular speed and the without angular acceleration, the work done, angular speed and without angular acceleration, the work done by the external torque. Work done by the external torque is W, which is equals to integration of, we are just taking that theta 2 to theta 1. So here theta 1 to theta 2. Theta 1 to theta 2. Formula is tau d theta. Tau is a torque into d theta. Okay. So which is equals to integration of theta 1 to theta 2. What is tau we found here? Tau is equals to P sin theta. So instead of tau, I am writing here Pe sin theta into d theta. Sin theta into, so tau we wrote Pe sin theta here into d theta, which is equals to, when you integrate the sin theta d theta, it will turn as cos theta. Minus cos theta, that too. So I am taking that minus Pe cos theta. Cos theta, theta 1 to theta 2. Cos theta, theta 1 to theta 2. So when you apply the limit for this, it will turn as Pe cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Okay. So Pe cos lower limit minus upper limit is theta 2. So we are taking the work done. W is equals to, this is the answer, Pe into cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. This work done this work is stored. This work is stored as a potential energy. This work is stored as a potential energy of the system. Potential energy of a system. Work done is rotating the dipole from a direction perpendicular to the field of the given direction. If in the case the energy of dipole in an electric field is, so for the cases, if you want to mention the cases, you can take this as, which is, I'll just mention here, potential energy. Potential energy is U, which is equals to, we have, when work is stored as a potential energy, W which is equals to U. Potential energy is U. So what is the answer we got here? PE minus of, that is U we are taking here, which is equals to, what is the final answer we are taking here? Minus PE cos theta. Minus PE cos theta. So U is equals to PE cos 90 minus cos theta, which is equals to minus PE cos theta. When you are taking in vector form, when you are taking this in vector form, U is equals to minus P dot E. U is equals to minus P dot E. Because when you are taking the cos theta, I told that dot product is a cos theta. Instead of dot, you can take it as a cos theta. If in the case of theta equal to 0 degree, if in the case of theta equal to 90 degree, and in the case of theta equal to 180 degree, what would be the answer we have taken for this is tau is equals to 0. Tau is equals to 0, but potential energy is equals to, that is U. We are taking that potential energy is U. U is equals to minus PE. U is equals to minus PE. How? Because tau is equals to 0. Tau formula is what? PE sin theta. In the case of sin theta, in the case of 0, if you apply, sin 0 is 0. So tau value, the whole value be taken as 0. But in the case of potential energy, what is the formula we know? Minus PE cos theta. Instead of theta, I am applying 0 means minus PE into 1, because cos 0 is 1. So U is equals to minus PE. In the case of theta equal to 90, substitute tau is equals to, what is the answer? So PE sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. So as it is, PE will take. In the case of potential energy, U is equals to 0, because minus PE cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. So the potential energy total will be equals to 0. U is equals to 0. So in the case of tau is equals to PE, U equal to 0 potential energy. In the case of theta equal to minus 180, substitute, you will get tau equal to 0 as well as U is equals to PE. Because cos 180 is minus 1. Minus PE into minus 1 will become plus PE. So this is how we are getting the answer for cases. Theta is equals to so much for 0 degree, for 90 degree, for 180 degree. First we should find what is the work done. So next, work is stored as a potential energy of a system. So W is equals to taken as U here. W is equals to U. So later U is equals to PE cos 90 minus cos theta, which is PE minus PE cos theta. Now because cos 90 is 0, 0 minus cos theta will be taken as minus of PE. In vector form, U is equals to minus PE. So substitute, if in the case of 0, 90, 180 degrees, tau answer and U answer you can find out by using this. So I hope you all understood this. Thank you.